Hello, everybody. Let's go ahead and start a new project. So as you saw there, click on New Project. Let's go ahead and call this Excel Challenge, and then put your last name. So I just put Excel Challenge, and then my last name. Hit Create. Brings us to a nice workspace. So accelerometers detect movement. And so we do have a piece of code that's going to work for us today. On shake. We're going to use the on shake event handler. So when we shake, 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 shake that microbit, it's going to detect acceleration. So as a result, we're going to go ahead and click on forever and hit our backspace key along with the start. We're just going to go ahead and use on shake. So we need a place to we're going to have sort of a random number picker, but we have to be able to store the number because we're going to be making a rock, paper, scissors sort of game today. So we're going to have to make a variable. We're going to call this variable hand. That'll work for us today. So the hand would be like if we're playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It'd be whatever is on our hand. So that's what it is. And since we made our variable, we're going to set our hand, and we want a random number generator. So if we go to math, we're going to go ahead with pick a random number. We're going to make sure it lines up so it snaps right in there. No problem. Easy peasy, nice and easy. When we play rock, paper, scissors, we have rock, we have paper, and we have scissors. Now, if you want to add a bomb or whatever, you want to add something else to it, that's cool. But since we have those three basic ones, we're going to pick a random number 1 to 3. And now we're going to ask our question. If it's 1, show this. If it's not, then let's ask another question. If it's 2, let's show something. And if it's 3, well then, or I guess the else part, we're not even asking a question, we'll have it be whatever the other one is that we haven't assigned. So we're going to go to our logic conditionals. And we're going to write this conditional. If the hand is equal to 1, so we need to go back to our logic, go to our comparison. If hand, and so hand is a variable because that's where we're sort of storing things. This is the hard part. Make sure it's on the 0 so it snaps in there. If hand equals 1, then what we want to do is we want to show a piece of paper, or we want to go ahead and see if we have something else. I'm going to show icons. I'm just going to go through them. Do I have anything that may look like a pair of scissors or a rock or anything like that? Sometimes they have it. That's a square, so you know what? The square is going to be paper for me. This is going to be paper. I'm even going to add a comment just so you see this is my paper icon. You could always make your own if you want. So if it's 1, show paper. Else, well, we got to ask another question. So we're going to add to our conditional. And else if, I'm going to take a shorthand here. I'm going to make sure I click on the hand equals 1. I want to make sure that's all in yellow there. I'm going to right click and hit duplicate. Or you could hit Control C and then Control V. So when the hand equals 2, what do I want to show? So I have papers. Maybe I want scissors. I'll go ahead and look at my icon again. I'll see if there's anything that looks remotely like a pair of scissors. If not, I can make my own. And I don't know if I really see any scissors here, so that won't work. I'll click off the icon. We'll go to basic, and I'll draw it. I'll make it look like something. Here we go. Scissors, 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 scissors. So those are my scissors. Again, it is what you want it to be. If you're really that worried about it, we can add a comment and say scissors. And finally, if it is a rock, the only thing I don't have, so we're asking a question, is it a 1? Then show the piece of paper. If it is a 2, if the random number is 2, then let's go ahead and have scissors. Otherwise, it's going to be the rock. So I'm just going to grab a basic. I'm not even going to waste time. We'll show LEDs, and I'll make a rock. My rock, this will be my rock. Again, if people are not sure, I'll add a comment and put in rock. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and shake. So we got rock. Hit shake again. We get paper. Hit shake again, paper. Scissors, paper, scissors, scissors, paper, scissors, rock. So we do have that randomness to it. You could try to shake it like I was. I wasn't having a lot of luck. So you can just hit the little white button up here for shake. All you need to do now is go to share, publish your project, copy this, and share your work with me in the Google form for the day. Like I said, accelerometer detects change in sort of motion, things moving. Works pretty good. It's on there. It's simple. It's easy. It's the on shake. You may use that when you come up with solutions to your projects. All righty. Have a good one. Take care.